Welcome to Crypto Updates, your go-to source for real-time insights into the crypto world. If you're holding Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any altcoin, you're probably feeling the shockwaves right now. Yes, the crypto market is crashing, and it's not a drill. The red candles are everywhere. So the real question is, what exactly caused this sudden drop today? Stay locked in, we're breaking it down, and you won't want to miss this. Let's start with what just happened in real time. As of this morning, Bitcoin plunged below $57,000, Ethereum slipped under $2,900, and the entire market wiped out over $180 billion in value within just a few hours. Coins like Solana, Avalanche, and Dogecoin are down 8-15. This isn't just volatility, it is a coordinated wave of fear hitting all sectors of crypto. But here's what you need to know. This crash isn't random. There are multiple clear catalysts behind it, and they're unfolding right now. The biggest trigger? A surprise statement from the Federal Reserve this morning. Markets were hoping for rate cuts, but instead, Fed Chair Powell just confirmed that the Fed is not ready to ease monetary policy. That means higher interest rates for longer. This slammed risk assets immediately. Stocks dipped, but crypto got hammered. With no immediate liquidity relief, big investors started pulling out. The message from the Fed was loud and clear. Inflation is still sticky, and the economy is not soft enough to justify cuts. That instantly killed bullish momentum. And here's where it gets worse. Once Bitcoin dipped below key support levels, it triggered a massive wave of automated liquidations. In the last 6 hours alone, over $700 million in long positions were liquidated across exchanges. That caused a domino effect. Traders were forced to sell, more dips followed, panic selling kicked in, and boom, here we are. The volatility you're seeing is being amplified by leverage unwindings. Basically, over-leveraged traders are getting wiped out. We also tracked multiple whale wallets offloading assets. Some whales sent over $250 million in Bitcoin to exchanges, which typically signals intent to sell. That adds pressure to an already stressed market. Retail investors saw the dip and panicked. Order books became thin, liquidity dried up, and prices collapsed even faster. It's a perfect storm of fear and forced selling happening right now. But there's another piece to this: regulation. Early this morning, rumors spread that the SEC may be launching new enforcement actions against several top DeFi protocols and stablecoins. While nothing is confirmed, the speculation alone was enough to shake confidence. On top of that, Europe's MiCA regulations just kicked into effect for crypto exchanges operating in the EU. Some exchanges are already halting services in certain regions due to non-compliance. That kind of legal uncertainty makes institutional investors hit pause fast. Twitter, Reddit, Telegram, all flooded with the same energy, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. Crypto influencers are either calling this a manipulation crash or warning of a deeper correction ahead. Fear and greed index just fell off a cliff, now sitting at 22, deep in the fear zone. Retail sentiment has flipped almost instantly. The bullish optimism we saw last week gone. If you're feeling overwhelmed, take a breath. This is the part of the market where decisions matter most. Knee-jerk reactions can hurt your portfolio more than price drops. Whether you're a hodler or a swing trader, now is the time to stay informed, not emotional. Ask yourself, are you positioned for the long term? Are you managing risk? Do you have cash on the sidelines for opportunities, or are you fully exposed? Keep in mind, this story is still unfolding. The Fed might release additional comments later today. Whale wallets are still moving. Major exchanges are updating withdrawal limits, and new info about SEC actions could drop anytime. This is why you need to stay updated minute by minute. Let's be real, crashes aren't fun, but they do expose weak hands and unsustainable positions. What we're seeing today is a market reset, not necessarily a collapse. The fundamentals of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and top-tier crypto projects haven't changed overnight. What has changed is the macro pressure, leverage risks, and regulatory tone, and the market is reacting in real time. So before you sell everything, zoom out, breathe, and evaluate. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute financial or investment advice. The crypto market is highly volatile and you should always do your own research before investing. Consult a licensed financial advisor if needed. If you value real-time, no hype crypto breakdowns like this, hit that like button, subscribe to crypto updates, and tap the notification bell so you're always one step ahead of the chaos. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Are you buying the dip or waiting for lower? We're reading everything. Thanks for watching and stay smart in this wild crypto ride. See you in the next update.